Welcome to Marigold Lesson, Funny Bunny. In this session we shall do some more exercises from the textbook. Let's listen to these words.
Funny bunny, cocky locky, henny penny, pussy goosey, woxy foxy.
Now that you have listened, what is so special about these words?
Oh, they are pairs of rhyming words, ending with a similar sound.
That's right. They end with similar sound like funny and bunny, and are called rhyming words. Say aloud the following words with right pronunciation.
Ouch, pouch, and couch.
Follow, hollow, and swallow.
Down, town, and frown.
Bray, clay, and sway.
Well done. Note that these are rhyming words. Please look in the dictionary for their meaning. Circle the odd one out.
Bun, sun, fun, gun, and one. Here I am circling one as it is spelled without oval U. All others have oval U in them.
Bed, fed, led, said, and read. Here I am circling said as it is spelled with ovals AI. All others have oval E in them.
He, me, be, T, and we. Here I am circling T as it is spelled with ovals AA. All others have oval E in them.
Way, say, hey, pay, and they. Here I am circling they as it is spelled with oval E. All others have oval A in them.
It is important to note, AAIOU are called as ovals. You cannot form a word without ovals. You need at least one oval to form a word, sometimes two ovals are combined to form an elongated sound as in T. Find the opposite of the given words and make sentences.
Opposite of fat is thin. Example sentence is, my brother is very thin.
Opposite of fall is rise. Example sentence is, the sun rises in the east.
Opposite of start is stop. Example sentence is, the bus stops at the red signal.
Opposite of come is go. Example sentence is, I go to school in a school bus.
Opposite of big is small. Example sentence is, I have a small toy car.
Excellent. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. You are given the choice of present and past tense. You have to choose the right one.
I read a funny story of Funny Rabbit. One day, a nut fell on his head. He thought that the sky was falling. So, he went to tell the king. On the way, he met different animals. All of them joined him. At last, they met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate them all up.
Excellent. You choose all past tense, as you are narrating a story that happened in the past. Rearrange these words to form sentences.
The first one is, one day a nut fell on Funny Bunny.
Second one is, Funny Bunny said the sky is falling down.
Next one, I must tell the king.
The last one is, the king lives here.
Fantastic. Change only one letter of each word and make another rhyming word. Example: fell and tell is given.
From down I make town. From met I make pet. From way I make say.
From king the first make ring. From soon I make moon. From bat I make cat.
Excellent. Very well done. Look at the picture. Give the animals the right names.
Female chicken is called hen. The male chicken is called cock.
Next one is fox. Last one is duck. Goose is bigger in size compared to duck, though they look similar.
Well done. With this we have come to the end of the lesson, Funny Bunny.